Hello everyone and welcome to Future Funded. This channel is all about helping you build financial freedom faster through smarter saving, better money habits, simple strategies that anyone can follow. Whether your goal is early retirement, passive income, or just control over your finances, you are at the right place. So let's get started.
Most people believe retiring before 40 is unrealistic, something only millionaires, or tech founders, or people who got lucky can do. But that's not actually true. There are regular people, with regular jobs, who are quietly walking away from work in their 30s and early 40s. No lottery. No inheritance. No crazy risk. Just a different system. And once you understand that system, you start to see why most people never escape the cycle. Let me ask you something, if your monthly expenses are around $3,000, how much money do you think you need to never work again? Most people will say, $2 million, maybe $3 million, because that's what we've always heard. But the reality is, you might need much less. There's something called the 4% rule. It's simple. If your money is invested properly, you can withdraw about 4% every year, and your money can still last for decades. So if you spend about $36,000 a year, you need roughly $900,000 invested. That's it. Not millions and millions. Now yes, $900,000 is still a big number. But it's not out of reach. Not if you understand how this actually works. Because the real secret is not just earning more money, it's what you do with the money you already make. Let's look at two people. Both make $5,000 a month. The first person spends $4,500 and saves $500. The second person spends $2,500 and invests $2,500. At first, both lifestyles look normal. No big difference. But give it 10 years and everything changes. The first person is still working, still depending on their paycheck, still worried about bills. The second person is building options. Freedom. A way out. And that difference comes down to one thing. Not income, but behavior. This is where most people get stuck. They think the solution is to make more money. And yes, that helps. But it's not enough. Because if your lifestyle grows with your income, you stay in the same place. Now let's talk about the real engine behind early retirement. Compounding. This is where things get interesting. But also, where most people lose patience. In the beginning, it feels slow. Almost pointless. You invest every month, and it barely seems to grow. Year 1, nothing exciting. Year 2, still slow. Year 3, still not impressive. And this is where most people quit. But if you stay consistent, something changes. Around year 6, 7, or 8, your investments start growing faster. And then suddenly, it feels like your money is working harder than you are. That's the moment everything flips. But only if you stick with it long enough. So what are people doing differently, the ones who actually retire early? First, they save aggressively. Not 10%, not 15%, they aim for 30%. 40%, even 50% of their income. Yes, it sounds extreme. But that's what creates speed. That's what buys back your time. Second, they keep investing simple. They don't chase trends. They don't try to beat the market every day. Instead, they invest in index funds, low-cost ETFs, and stay consistent for years. Because they understand something most people don't. Wealth is built slowly, and then suddenly. Third, they avoid lifestyle inflation. This is the silent trap. You get a raise and immediately upgrade your life. Better car, nicer apartment, more subscriptions, more spending. And before you realize it, you're earning more, but still feel stuck. People who retire early do the opposite. When their income goes up, their investments go up. Their lifestyle mostly stays the same. And this one decision creates a massive gap over time. Now here's the part no one talks about. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's not about cutting all joy from your life. It's about being intentional. Spending on what actually matters to you, and cutting what doesn't. Because every unnecessary expense is not just costing you money, it's costing you freedom. Time. Years of your life. Think about that. Every extra payment, every impulse buy, every upgrade you didn't need, is quietly delaying the moment you become free. Now imagine a different version of your life. You wake up, not because you have to, but because you want to. No alarm. No rush. No stress about money. You choose how you spend your time. You work if you want to, not because you have to. You travel, you spend time with family, you live life on your own terms. That's what early retirement actually means. It's not about doing nothing. It's about having control. And here's the best part. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a six-figure salary. You don't need to take crazy risks. You just need to start. Even if it's small. $200 a month, $500 a month, whatever you can afford. Because time matters more than amount. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. But if you wait, you'll have to invest more later, for the same result. And that's the price of delay. So the real question is not, is early retirement possible? The real question is, when are you going to take it seriously? Think about your life. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, will you still be trading your time for money, or will you have options? Because the people retiring at 40 are not smarter than you. They didn't get lucky. They just made different decisions earlier than everyone else. And you still have time to do the same.
If you found this helpful, consider following Future Funded for more simple, practical, and grow your money and build financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, small smart decisions today can make a powerful future.